Do you believe it's possible that simply eating pumpkin combined with one very familiar ingredient in the evening can help your liver and kidneys recover, make your body feel lighter, and bring you into such deep sleep that many people describe it as drifting off without even realizing it? What truly surprised me is that pumpkin is something many families eat every single week. Yet most of the time it's cooked the wrong way, unintentionally burdening the liver and worsening sleep without anyone noticing. A dish that seems simple can instantly turn harmful if prepared incorrectly, but when cooked the right way, it becomes a gentle remedy that helps the body repair itself overnight, especially nourishing the liver and kidneys naturally. The difference between harm and benefit often doesn't lie in the food itself, but in the way we prepare it. In today's video, I'll walk with you through how pumpkin affects sleep, the liver, and the kidneys, why some people sleep well after eating pumpkin, while others feel bloated and restless all night, and especially the pumpkin recipe combined with this ingredient that calms the mind, detoxifies, and nourishes the liver and kidneys in the most gentle way. I'll also clearly explain who should use it, who absolutely should not, and the evening habits we must avoid so the liver and kidneys can truly rest. If you've always believed that pumpkin is good no matter how you cook it, then after this video, you'll have a completely different perspective, a softer, deeper, and much clearer one. Crescent moon jack-o'-lantern. And if you find today's video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with your loved ones, so everyone can learn how to nourish the body naturally, sleep deeper, and live peacefully each day. Now, let's begin. Dear friends, before anything else, I want you to truly understand why the liver and kidneys become tired so easily. The liver works non-stop all day, filtering toxins from food, drinks, and even the waste products our body naturally produces. The kidneys, meanwhile, filter the blood while regulating fluid and minerals, making sure the body doesn't swell or become imbalanced. From middle age onward, both the liver and kidneys work harder but recover more slowly, so inconsistent eating habits or poor sleep can quickly wear them down. When the liver is tired, the body overheats easily, feels restless, and struggles to fall asleep. When the kidneys are weak, blood and energy don't circulate well, making the body cold, sleep shallow, and waking up frequently, sometimes with multiple nighttime bathroom trips. Then a quiet cycle begins. Tired liver and kidneys make it difficult to sleep. And lack of sleep weakens the liver and kidneys even more, because both organs need deep sleep to repair and detoxify every night. In Eastern medicine, the liver regulates the smooth flow of energy, supporting emotional clarity, while the kidneys are considered the root of the entire body, preserving essential vitality. When these two organs are out of balance, sleep falters immediately. Even if you close your eyes, you only drift rather than truly fall asleep. But the good news is that the body has a remarkable ability to heal when nourished correctly. And among the most natural and gentle methods is a simple recipe made from 3 familiar ingredients that can cool the liver, soothe the nervous system, and replenish kidney energy. And now, let's go into the details of this wonderful recipe designed to support the liver, kidneys, and your sleep. The first ingredient is pumpkin, about 150 to 200 grams of fresh pumpkin, roughly half a small bowl. Choose mature pumpkin with deep yellow flesh, because this type contains more vitamin A and naturally higher levels of tryptophan. Pumpkin isn't just a familiar ingredient in everyday meals, it's truly a nutrient reservoir. Every piece of pumpkin contains vitamins A, C, and E along with important minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and soluble fiber. Vitamin A helps protect the stomach lining and supports better liver detoxification. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that prevents liver cell damage, strengthens immunity, and reduces long-lasting fatigue. Vitamin E adds another layer of antioxidant support, easing chronic inflammation in the liver and stabilizing the nervous system, which helps the body enter deep sleep more easily. Most importantly, pumpkin is rich in tryptophan, an essential amino acid the body uses to produce serotonin and melatonin, the neurotransmitters responsible for relaxation and deep, natural sleep. The second ingredient is lotus seeds, about 20 to 30 grams of fresh seeds, or 15 grams if using dried. Lotus seeds are a treasured natural remedy in traditional Eastern medicine and a nourishing food in daily meals. Nutritionally, lotus seeds contain easily digestible protein, natural glucids, B vitamins, and minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, along with a mild group of alkaloids that calm the nervous system. These compounds make lotus seeds a natural sedative, reducing anxiety, easing restlessness, and helping maintain uninterrupted sleep. Beyond improving sleep, lotus seeds also support the liver and kidneys. They help stabilize blood sugar, regulate heart rhythm, and reduce metabolic load on the liver. Meanwhile, their mineral content supports renal filtration and helps balance electrolytes more gently at night. The final ingredient is mung beans or black beans with green kernels. Use about 20 grams of peeled mung beans or 25 grams of black beans with green centers. Both are rich sources of soluble fiber, B vitamins, magnesium, and natural antioxidants. Mung beans are especially effective at cooling the body, soothing the liver, and supporting gentle detoxification thanks to flavonoids and digestive enzymes. When cooked until soft, they also ease bloating, support bowel movement, and reduce the overall burden on the circulatory system at night. Black beans with green kernels contain abundant anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that benefit kidney function, protect cells from oxidative stress, support blood circulation, and reduce mild inflammation. When all three ingredients come together in one dish, they create a beautifully balanced synergy that benefits the liver, kidneys, and sleep at the same time. Pumpkin provides natural tryptophan to promote serotonin and melatonin production, guiding the body gently into deep sleep while delivering vitamin A and antioxidants to support liver detoxification. Lotus seeds calm the mind, steady the nervous system, and nourish kidney energy, reducing the anxiety and restlessness many older adults experience. Mung beans or black beans help cool the liver, improve blood flow, and lighten the heavy feeling the body often carries in the evening. Together, these ingredients help lighten the liver's workload, keep kidney function steady, and deeply relax the nervous system, allowing sleep to come naturally, smoothly, and with fewer nighttime awakenings. Many people notice clear improvement after just a few evenings: a calm stomach, a clear mind, deep sleep, and a refreshed, energized feeling in the morning. The cooking method is very simple. Just simmer the beans until they soften. Then add the lotus seeds and continue cooking until the seeds become tender and creamy. Finally, add the pumpkin so it stays smooth and velvety without becoming overly mushy. You can prepare it as a thin porridge, a soup, or a light stew, whichever you prefer. When eating this dish in the evening, have it about an hour before bedtime, and enjoy it warm so your stomach relaxes and your body settles into sleep more easily. However, not everyone is suited for this recipe. Those who tend to have a cold stomach or frequent loose stools should reduce the amount of pumpkin or make the dish slightly thicker. Anyone with diabetes should avoid adding any sugar. People with severe kidney disease should consult their doctor first, since pumpkin and legumes contain notable amounts of potassium. And those who feel bloated or have poor digestion should avoid eating too late at night to prevent overloading the stomach. When used correctly, this dish not only supports the liver and kidneys and improves sleep, but also helps the body unwind and restore itself naturally, gently, and safely for long-term health. Dear friends, for this pumpkin lotus seed bean recipe to reach its full potential, we also need to avoid a few small habits that quietly force the liver and kidneys to work harder, especially in the evening, when these organs should be resting. The first thing to limit is eating salty meals at night. When you consume too much salt, the kidneys pull extra water into the bloodstream to balance sodium levels. This makes the kidneys work overtime, leading to mild swelling, increased thirst, and especially frequent nighttime urination, which completely disrupts sleep cycles. Many people think waking up to urinate is simply due to age. But in reality, salty dinners are often the reason the kidneys don't get to rest. The second habit to avoid is drinking too much water right before bed. The body absolutely needs water, but timing matters. If you drink large amounts at night, the kidneys must keep filtering instead of resting. This not only interrupts sleep but also makes you wake up feeling heavy, fatigued, and sometimes with a headache. The best approach is to spread your water intake evenly throughout the day. Drink more in the morning and midday, decrease in the afternoon, and sip only small amounts after 8 p.m. The third habit many people fall into is overusing sleeping pills. While they may help you fall asleep, they do not provide deep, restorative sleep. Over time, sleeping pills can force the liver to work constantly to process them, creating unnecessary strain and causing dependence. This leads to a cycle where you cannot sleep without medication, wake up tired, feel foggy, and struggle to focus. Whenever possible, choose natural approaches, such as the pumpkin lotus seed bean dish, to help your body restore its natural sleep rhythm. Lastly, avoid alcohol or sugary drinks after 6 p.m. Alcohol forces the liver to work non-stop to break down alcohol compounds, making the body hot, the heart race, and sleep unstable. Sugary drinks, bottled beverages, milk tea, soft drinks, spike blood sugar, forcing the liver to process the excess and the kidneys to filter more to eliminate it. These habits seem small, yet they are major reasons why many people feel sleepy but still cannot fall into deep rest, or wake up groggy and heavy-headed. By simply avoiding these habits, the liver and kidneys can finally take a break. And when these organs are allowed to rest properly, sleep naturally becomes deeper, easier to enter, and far more refreshing in the morning. This is the foundation that allows the pumpkin lotus seed bean recipe to deliver its full benefits. Dear friends, even a simple, familiar dish made from pumpkin, lotus seeds, and mung beans can bring a gentle yet lasting transformation when we understand it well. Cook it correctly, and enjoy it at the right time. The liver feels lighter, the kidneys work more smoothly, the stomach feels warm, the mind relaxes, sleep becomes deeper, and mornings begin with a refreshed, clear sense of energy. Good health doesn't always come from expensive treatments or complicated methods. It often lies in the small, everyday habits we practice consistently. When we care for the liver just a little, support the kidneys just a little, and allow the body the rest it truly needs, each night passes more peacefully, and each morning begins with comfort and clarity. If you found today's video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends, so everyone can learn to care for their liver and kidneys naturally and enjoy deeper sleep each night. Thank you for listening, and I wish you steady health, peace, and restful sleep starting tonight. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next video.